So this is the park here in Aviana. This kicker right here always gets moved right here because you guys love to just ride up it and ride off this. I think that's a waste of space, so I'm gonna move it. It's pretty freaking heavy though. Yeah, it's pretty heavy. I just got here, so I'm just gonna warm up. It's probably how I'm gonna film most of my skateboarding videos. Saves me time. A lot of time. I probably just let the GoPro record the whole time and then just edit stuff out. It might be easier. Just gonna. The weather finally got good today. The clouds are pretty far down. Yeah, you can. I don't know if you can see them. You probably can't. But yeah, they're pretty far down today. Just gonna cruise. Haven't skated in a good little bit because of the weather. So let's see how this video turns out. I'm like really curious. Should be good. You would think so, at least anyway. Something's been going on with my toe. I don't know if I smashed it on something, but it's like a gnarly bruise on my toenail. So whenever something touches, it's like super sensitive and it kind of hurts. And skating, it's hurting it a little bit. Not too much though. No! So my channel's going back to skateboarding content only. My other stuff, we upload it on different channels. I'll link them in the description below. Right now this sold out sketchy. Just cruising. Those. Oh yeah, that was smooth. See if we can get a 50, 180 out on the box. All right, let's see. Completely missed the 50. I hope you guys enjoy these style of skateboarding videos because it makes it easier for me to film. I don't have to take time. It takes time when you're setting up angles and stuff, and now I don't have a film or anything. So I saw this dude named Skateboard Bro do this, and his videos does pretty good, and I don't mind watching him. He's entertaining enough. I'm probably not gonna be that entertaining, but it'll work out for best. You see me on a lot of the same tricks. Not that good. I've noticed something about myself around the holidays. I get super depressed because I'm usually spending alone, especially now that I'm with my family. So I learned the best thing to do is to get outside my room and avoid social media around the holiday times because it's just gonna make me feel sad. So yeah, it helps. It's working. Oh, mad sketch. One thing about me, I've been skating my board backwards, as you can see, for like 10 years now. I'm a little bit old too. I'm 23. Just turned 23 like 2 days ago. 24. 3 days ago. 3 days ago. All right, see if we can get this line. thing I haven't been able to do whenever I do back scooters. I'm locking it in a way that I can't do anything but turn out 180. I wish I could do it in the regular way. I have more control, but it's not how I guess. But I'll show you what I'm talking about right now. Like I have to turn out 180. If I don't turn out 180, then you know what? I'm gonna show you. Like that, every single time. So that hurt a lot. I wish I could do it, I swear. I'm locking it like that, I believe. No, I think I lock it like this. That might be the problem. Like that. Finish the pocket. Alright. Let's see. We'll figure this out. See if we can learn proper fuels today without doing ladies. Yeah, that's not happening anytime soon. Oh, I think that worked. I think that might have been it. You guys think it might have something to do with me skating my board backwards? Let's try it the normal way one more time. Oh, that one might have worked. Let me try it again. Oh, kick flip out? What? Oh god. No freaking way. Oh, they got Wi-Fi out here. It's pretty dope. That's what I was expecting. Oh man. Cleanest people I've ever done. Oh, again? No freaking way. Alright, I'm gonna switch my board around this time and try the way I regularly skate my board and see if it makes a difference. Definitely stuck that time. What? No freaking way. Wow. 0 and 2 on the regular way. Give it one more shot and we're gonna switch back over to the normal skateboarding way. Alright. I'm not gonna count that one. Try another one. Whoa, what the heck? Oh, that sounded like my kingpin caught on that one. Well, it sounded like it really dug in there. That did not sound pretty at all. Yeah, I think my kingpin dug into that. Oh, that sounded gross. All right, see if we can get one more time, man. Come on. Oh, I don't think that's it. So I'm having trouble doing it the way I normally run my board. So let's switch it back around and see what happens. Whoa, what the heck? Oh, that sounded like my kingpin caught on that one. Did not sound pretty at all. Yeah, I think my kingpin dug into that. Oh, that sounded gross. Oh, I don't think that's it. Alright, I switched it back around. Let's see. I swear, mine is gonna be blue. Wow, dude, that was sketchy by the way. Are you serious? Like, really? I gotta do another one just to confirm this, because I know I'm not tripping. Alright, come on, man. No freaking way. All these years, I've done feet 180 outs downstairs. Like, what? Dude, come on. Wow. Alright, let's switch it back to the way I regularly ride the board. Regularly, whatever. My phone. I think I'm pocket dialing a number. I am. Whoops. Wow, dude. What the heck? It really makes that much of a difference. It's always fun. Yeah, that was just all tights, none butter. Alright, so I was gonna cut this video off right here. Still don't know if switching the board on made that much more of a difference, because it's still flipping out the same way every so often. So I'm gonna call this video right here. Hopefully this video comes out good. I'll catch you guys later. I'm going to end it.